heard of a schwa? Do you make this mistake when you're teaching phonics? Do you say m, a, t? Pure sounds in phonics is the pronunciation of each letter sound clearly without adding an extra known as a schwa. Using pure sounds helps children to blend sounds for reading and segment words for writing. Make sure, when you're teaching phonics, you're saying each sound in its shortest form, like this. A, t, mat. You could even try this handy technique. Try using the chin shelf. Place your hands under your chin and gently push up. Which sounds do your children struggle to say? Check out our Level 2 and 3 action videos for more ideas on how to consolidate your children's phonics learning. And don't forget to let us know what you think.